What's up guys, Pugner46 and today we're playing Slime Rancher. Slime Rancher is a really fun game and I just found a really cool slime that I want. Now could you give it to me please? Oh no, it's one of these ones. They're like firefly slimes. I actually hate the ones that just go right in front of you, because they actually launch really far like this. Ready, watch this. Yeah. They're trying to get out. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Gold hit? What's a gold hit achievement? I think they're hungry. Should I give them some food? I think I should. I'm gonna suck up all of this and then put all the ports back. See, is there any more food? 10? Okay. No. I'm gonna throw these ports back in. Wait, actually not the ports, the hen hens. I'm sorry, hen hens. Maybe some I need some more carrots actually. Let's throw these ports, pink ports back in. Put that up. Launch them back in. Okay, let's go and get some more stuff. In fact, I'm just gonna use all these ports for the money thing over there. I was collecting them for some weird reason. I don't know why. I was thinking I could stack them up to the top, but that was never gonna happen. But every time I go slime ranching for slime ranchers, it actually gets so crazy. I get like 1,000,000 ports. I don't know what I do. What am I meant to do here? Okay, done. What does it do though? Okay, so now I'm gonna suck this up. Oh, can they escape? Oh, they can escape. That's kind of useless, isn't it? Let's go and find some crazy cool slimes. I have 263. I can finally find another pen. That's super awesome. I'm gonna buy a pen for the blue ones. Over here. There we go. Pen. I got a couple blue ones, if you know. Where is my blue one gone? Okay, that's okay. Chuck this one in, I guess. That's gonna be the one for the big ones, actually. Oh, let's check this. Okay. I have a couple pink slimes by accident. Oh my god! Why did you leave me? Okay, let's turn down this volume because it's really loud. There we go, and then this goes right there. That's better. Now I'm gonna go and get some more of these big ones for actually no. Come here. You get over here right now. You get over. I wonder how many slimes escaped from me pushing these out. I wonder. How many? Okay, not on my watch, not on my watch. These ones are cool, but no. Look how many escaped. Georgia, Franklin, no. Ah! Okay, done. I'm gonna go put this pink port. Let's see if I can get it in from here. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, I know how to do it now. I'm gonna aim there. Right here. Oh my god, my sensitivity is so high. Let's go and no, I can't do it. I don't believe. There we go. Done! So now I'm gonna go and collect some more slimes. Slimes are hard to find, kind of. Not that hard to find, but pretty hard. Like the ones I want to look for are hard to find. If I just try to go up here real quick. See, there's the normal pink slimes, right? But I want the blue slimes and the big slimes. Oh my god, where'd you go? Come back! Oh my god, I just witnessed that death. Sad death. See, these are the ones I want. See, they're cute. Oh my god, their plorts look so disgusting. Ah, get off! I didn't want you in the first place. Nobody wants you. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, it's a firefly. Chicken. What's this? Ow. No. Press X. Okay. Whoa, it's a map. Okay, I don't need that very much. Let's just go over here. That's more rock slimes if there is any. What are those? They look cool. I like them. This box. What is this box? Bye. Whoa, look at all these kitty slimes! Oh my god, I love them! Give me kitty slimes! I'm gonna get rid of this slime because I want the kitty. Tabby slimes. Okay. Tabby slimes. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. What is that? Oh my god, is that dead? That's like haunted. Like so creepy. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? I'm glitching out. There's tabby plorts. Ah! Ah, what is that? Hey, 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 hey. Don't need to be mean. Don't need to be mean. Not at all. Not at all. You stay with me, bruh. You stay with me. Actually, I want a big tabby. Oh, they're the ones that I don't want to see. Where did I go? This tabby slime is really annoying me. The tar. I don't like the tar then. Die, tar. Die. I'm gonna chuck you off this map right now. See ya, tar. I'll save this little tabby right here. Oh my god, you ate a tabby. How dare you? He's eating them. Get over here right now. If you're gonna eat those, you have to go through me. And you do not want to do that, do you? They're glitching out for me, if anyone saw that. Okay. Where did they all go? Tabbies. Tabby. Tabby slime. Oh my god, it's a big tabby slime. I took it. I like tabby slimes, they're good. Let's make our way back over to the house now. This is a hard game, but like it's actually so addictive because you want to find the most slimes and the best slimes out of all your friends. And like, it just makes you so competitive, and I don't know why it's so addictive actually. It's hard to explain, it's just, you want to collect everything. It's like Pokemon, but except you don't catch them all. You gotta ranch them all. Bad puns. Yeah, that was where I got all my first slimes, because it was like a big slime mania over there the first time. There's slimes everywhere. Okay, now we're gonna go over here and find a pen to put these big slimes in. I think I might put it in over here, like here. No, they're the rocky slimes. There, this is gonna be my little. I need to suck up these ports. Where did I put these hens? They'll all go there because that needs to keep them alive, you know. Needs to keep them alive. And I'm gonna put some rock slimes in here. There we go. Suck up all these plorts. Get the money for it. Get the money. I don't know if this gives you money or not, but like, anyway. I got some of these plorts. It does, and I got some of these ports. Well, they give you so much money. So good. Okay, I'm still haven't got enough for what I want. What's over here? I haven't been over here yet. Anyway, guys, I can't go over there, but I think we had a good enough video. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.